Welcome to our latest DaVinci Resolve tip video. In this video, we will show you a simple but fast color matching tip to quickly match up the colors of multiple clips. So for this example, I have 3 video clips and 3 images with different color schemes. Just add the clips first, and then add the images at the end. Your timeline should now look like this. Now you need to switch to the Color tab at the bottom. So let's select a clip and copy the color scheme from one of the images onto that clip. With the clip selected, right-click on one of the images and choose Shot Match to this clip. The colors of the clip should change to the color scheme of the image. Let's try it out with the other clips and images to see the results. You can also select multiple clips and choose an image to change them all at once to a new color scheme. If you are not happy with the result, you can right-click the node and reset the node grade. We hope you like this video, and if you want to buy the studio version of DaVinci Resolve, use the Amazon link in the description, so we get a small fee.